guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Marta. Today you're just gonna watch me clean my room. I've been living here since February 14th and I still haven't organized my room. I just have everything here. This is how my room looks like right now. So, well, it's not just my room, it's, you know, my mom's and my sister's room too. But this is where I film and where I do my makeup and where I have all of my makeup stuff. So I promise I will have a makeup tutorial. The next one will be a makeup tutorial. I just had to clean the room already and I thought, why not film it, since a few of you guys have asked me to see my collections and what I have and how I organize. So I will show you that in the end. But if you guys just want to watch me clean my room, then just keep on watching. Alright, I never know where to start. So what I'm gonna do is just get the things that don't go here and take them out. So I do need these here because it's the tripods, the backdrop, the softboxes and all that, but I don't have room for them. I don't want to have them just like under the desk because I really want this to look very nice and clean. So I'm thinking of putting it in my bedroom or in the attic maybe, because I don't think I'll be using them so often. So I'm just gonna take it out of the room. This, I don't know what to do with this. I need it because I have a lot of stuff in there, but I don't know where to put it. And it's brown, so it doesn't go here. I might paint it, or my mom is gonna paint it white, but then I still don't know where to put it. This room is like so tiny, so. Alright, let's do this. I like to put all of the makeup that's just lying around in just one box. I think they're about to come in. My niece and nephew are just right outside the door and they've been wanting to come in, but I don't let them. Anyways, I like to put everything in just one box, and then like once everything else is clean and everything, I just go around the room and put them where they go. Oh, and I like to collect boxes, the ones I receive from like PR packages and stuff. You guys will see my little collection right now. They're all empty, but I don't know why I keep them. So something funny just happened. My mom is so cute. She just came in here in the room really quick to let me know that she found these little drawer things in front of one of our neighbor's house. You know, if they put them outside, it's for free. Obviously, anyone can take them. So she told me to have it. You have no idea how many things in here my mom has found at a yard sale or the swap meet. Almost everything in here. So I don't know how she does it, but we went out there really quick to get them. So here they are. That one goes on top of this, and then we're gonna buy more little shelves so it can go. So I can put more stuff in there. This room is so tiny that I don't know where I'm gonna put it. I might put it right here, but I don't know, we'll see. And I'll tell you guys at the very end what other things she has found at the swap meet or for free. You'd be surprised what you can find out there for pretty cheap or for free. My mom's pretty good at that. And back to cleaning. These are cute little stencils I bought from Amazon. They were 30 bucks. I couldn't find any stencils in Target or Michael's. I think it's a bit pricey for stencils. As soon as I received them, I found some at Target. Really cute, super cheap. And I've been wanting to buy like cute stencils like this for like cute swatches and stuff. I'll put the link in the description box if you guys are interested. I have no idea what this is. I'm guessing it's for cleaning, so I'm just gonna use it. It broke. So this table right here is one of the tables my mom got for pretty cheap at the swap meet. I also like to collect like the notes that come in the PR boxes. This is full of notes from them and I just love keeping them, especially if they're like handwritten for me. That's just pretty special. Okay, so I finally finished cleaning everything. Oh, I forgot to put the tripod away. Now I'm going to show you how I organize everything and where I got it from, or my mom got it from. And I even vacuum, which I normally never do that. I just put everything away. I'm gonna start over here. This little nail polish holder. Well, I don't know if it's really a nail polish holder, but we use it for our nail polishes, obviously. I think my mom got it from the swap meet. I don't know how much, but it was black. She painted it white. And these are the ones we just got that I told you guys that we just ran out and got them really quick. But they're kind of loose. As you can see, this like moves. So my dad's gonna fix that. I still don't know where I'm gonna put them. So I just have that there for now. I'm gonna move this one, obviously. I'm not gonna leave it there. And then that's not mine. That's just full of hair products that I don't know where to put. So I just left them in there. Just have some setting sprays, chapsticks in there. And then over here, lipsticks, powders, whatever. And I haven't used this brush, but I really like how it looks, so I just have it there. Then down here I have my Anastasia liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, and lipsticks, Urban Decay. This is like my favorite section of like this whole thing. I love this part. And then over here, some dirty brushes that I haven't washed in so long. And then some blushes and bronzers right there. Oh, and I got these from Target, these cute ones. They were on sale because I think they're $20, like regular price, but I got them for like $5, I think, because I'm not paying $20 for each. Oh, and then these are the boxes over here I was telling you about that I collect. All of these are empty. I have them because Jesus! Oh my god. That was so loud. Sorry if I scared you. Anyways, yeah, and they're all empty, but I still have them there because they're so cute. That is my twin sister's. She's in love with owls. That's a cute little trash can I got from Target. Up here I have more brushes and I don't know where to put that. Up here I have Q-tips and then this cute little thing, whatever it's called. I got it at a thrift store for like $2, I think. Some random lipsticks. I got this lipstick holder at, what's it called? The Container Store. This up here, I got it from the thrift store for $2, I think, and I just have full lipsticks, which I'm going to go through them and throw away the expired ones, which is like pretty much all of them. And then up here I have more lipsticks, and then this little container I got from the Container Store. And up there, of course, I have my Pixie Glow Tonic toner with my name on it. Of course, I had to have it up there. This is my mom's too, probably from the swap meet. Or a yard sale, whatever. So I just hang the necklaces right there. They're not all mine. Got this at Michael's, I think, just for the bracelets. That's a cute little picture of me and my husband. It was my twin sister's wedding day. And then over here I have the Laura Mercier lipsticks. And I think these are from Target. I don't know. And then my other sister, got this for me for my birthday last year. It's so cute. And then right over here, I got this big thing at Target. My husband got it for me. And then this table, I think my mom also found it outside in front of a house. I don't know why they just left it out there or why they didn't sell it on Letgo or something, because it's so good. Like, it's not broken, damaged, like nothing. But so she got this one for free. Over here I have highlighters in there, glitters in there. These are like my everyday brushes, the ones I reach for the most, and these are all Anastasia brushes. I've had it for so long and it still smells so good. I love it. And then of course I'm going to keep all of the Anastasia boxes. I think they still have a bit of some of their products in there, but I have to keep the boxes because Anastasia is just so special for me that I just have them there instead of the corner. I just love Anastasia, and these are the Bare Minerals Gen Nude blushes that I do use very often, but I love the case, so I keep them in there. And of course I have to show the Resi and Anastasia box because that's the cutest. That's my ring light. And then this is where I keep my sunglasses. My mom actually made this. She made a few of these and sold them, but I kept one for me. And just really quick, I just have like random things, powders, foundations, whatever. Over here I just have some random eyeshadow palettes or blushes and bronzers and all that. In this drawer I have lotions, any face creams, masks, or anything. Just keep them in here. This one, just random hair products. And down there we have the straighteners and blow dryer. And here I just have, I don't even want to show you. We'll see. These are just products I haven't used that are new, still in packages. Right here I have, I don't know, random things, bags, notebooks. And then here, I don't know. And I don't know if you guys remember this. This was a carpet that my cousin gave me for Christmas. But we have kids here every day, and I don't like locking the door so I can just do my makeup. So they come in and out of this room, and I did not want to put the white carpet in here because I knew it was going to be all messy and stuff. So I asked my mom if she can, or my mom actually gave me the idea. She told me, why don't I make these into pillowcases? So she did, but I just have it here because it just looks so cute. This is a regular stool I use, and then this is the cutest desk, and she got it at the swap meet, I think, for like $15, $20, I don't know, but really cheap, and it's so cute. This is glass, and it opens up down here where I have more eyeshadow palettes and then just random things. These are eyelashes, and I keep the primers in there, pencils, whatever, just random things. But this is so cute. Over here I have the eyeshadow palettes and highlighter palettes that I got from hush.com. I have a review on all these palettes, and I will put that link in the description box if you guys are interested. And then I just got this from Target yesterday for my high-key they're not high-key. The Sahara sunglasses, they're my favorite ones. I have the other Desi and Key sunglasses over here. I don't put them right there where the other ones are at because these are special. Foundation, concealers, eyebrow products, mascaras, eyeliners, and lip liners. That, just pencils that I never use. And then I got these holders from Target. They're pretty heavy for 20 bucks. And then I put some, I just like the eyeshadow palettes right there. It looks so cute. And then that mirror right there. We got this at a yard sale. It was like kind of brown, like an ugly brown. So my husband painted it black. And then I just put like notes there, what other videos I want to film and everything. And then of course I have my Marta e.l.f. Beautyscape 2017 brush holder that they gave me with the brushes a bit dirty. That's another lamp my mom got at the swap meet. This is from the Home Depot, I think. Oh, and my mom also got this at the swap meet. And both mirrors are also from the swap meet. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel or want to see more of my videos, just subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell notification button so you won't miss any of my videos. And oh, I do have the shout outs. Hold on. Oh god, I never have this ready. Cindy Coronado, Rocio Ronhel from TJ, that's where most of my family is from, and Sylvia Benito. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I love you guys with all my heart. And if you guys want a shout out in my next English video, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and let me know in the comments down below that you want a shout out. And if you want, let me know where you're from. And yes, I am still doing the giveaway, both giveaways, a makeup and then either a camera or a laptop. Just keep an eye out for that. I'm still getting everything ready. And that was for reaching 100,000 subscribers. I'll leave my Instagram here and my Snapchat here in case you guys want to follow me around. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.